Detection of a 50 cm long, 8 mm rebar. In this video, we will detect a 50 cm long, 8 mm diameter rebar, at 30 cm depth, and provide its estimated shape and depth on screen. Target detection and scanning processes have been conducted at factory defaults. First, we detect the target. To obtain the target shape, swing the coil left to right slowly, and scan over the target, starting from a bit away from where the signal is starting, and until the coil is completely off the target signal. While scanning, pay attention to holding the search coil stable and parallel to the ground, and slightly overlapping each sweep with no gaps in between. Once the scanning is completed, we wait for signal processing. As you can see, the target shape is now on screen. The length of the target appears to be about 50 centimeters. The ID of the target is 20, ferrous metal, and the depth is 35 centimeters. Depth is calculated, including the height of the search coil above the ground. The device may generate more than one ID for long targets. This is a normal situation. This graph shows the start and finish points of the scan, as well as all the movements of the coil, drawn linearly. We can rotate the target signal graph 360 degrees, and analyze it. We can see the length of the target here as well. As seen in the beam, the depth is within 50 centimeters. When we rotate the image, we can see the shape of the target signal from all angles, including from the bottom. In addition, you can see the date and time, the search mode, the frequency, and the type of search coil used, as well as the resolution of the graph, on the dashboard.